Hello?
Hey, Mary Jane, it's me, Ritz.
Oh, hey.
Just arrived on my private jet from snow tubing in Aspen, and I thought we should rendezvous for a little Scrabble and Pinot Gris. I got this new Expand Your Word Power audiobook, and I'm dying to see if it worked by annihilating you in an amiable game of idioms.
What? Sure, Ritz. That sounds marvelous.
Splendid! See you shortly.
Toodles. Oh, man. Ritz is a rich family friend. Ugh. Now I gotta make up something extra fancy. Ooh, I know. I'll make my hot cheese and cracker snack. While I get out the ingredients, watch my friends in these sketches.
In the beginning, there was an end.
Hear ye, my lords and ladies, gather round for your one, your only, royal flatulency, King Lion Fart the Third and his queen.
But to be with you.
And with you.
And with you.
What's first on the agenda today, Fester?
My liege, we got a request from a local peasant.
My lord, I asked for a 500 gold shilling loan to keep my shoe business afloat.
Let it be.
Thank you, King Lion Fart the Third and Queen.
What? How dare you mispronounce my queen's name? You know it's Queen.
I'm sorry, my lord. I have misspoken.
Yes, you have, and you shall pay the ultimate price.
Bring in the executioner.
Bring in the executioner.
Hey, can one of y'all get the executioner?
Yes, exactly. Off with his head!
What is it, you twit? It's King Flamer. The Flamers are getting close to the Holy One.
We must protect Lord Anus. I know.
That's right. I'm gonna light that ass up. By killing the Holy One, Lord Anus, it will be the end of the farts as we know it.
Will this be the end for King Lionfart, or will he fall flatulence on his face?
Excuse me.
Yes.
You have free-range bologna?
That doesn't exist.
Oh. Alright, well I guess I'll take my business elsewhere. Can I go out this way?
Out this? No, that's not a... Where are you going? Where are you going? You can't, that's not a...
Slow down and love someone with Delilah.
Hello there, listeners. I'm Delilah, and thank you for joining me for a little TLC. Let me help you get rid of the stress, worries, and hurt. Let's bond. Let's get heart to heart. The phone lines are open. Our first caller is Nicole, 55, from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. Nicole, I welcome you with open arms.
Hi, Delilah.
How can I help you tonight?
I've been wanting to call for about a month now, and with a little Jaeger in my system, I decided to go ahead and take the plunge.
Great. Don't be nervous. I'm mentally holding your hand through this right now. Feel free to be yourself.
Okay, here goes. I'm blessed with 4 lovely children. However, I got divorced from their father about 7 years ago. My youngest daughter, Emily, got married when she was 19 because she was pregnant. I've always been really close to her husband, Mark, seeing as how he used to mow my lawn as a young boy. Her marriage started to fall apart about 2 years ago.
It must be hard for you to see them both in pain.
Yes, so much so that I started spending a lot of time consoling Mark. Well, we started dating once the divorce was finalized. All my children have stopped talking to me as soon as they found out. They said it'll be hard for Emily and Mark's daughter to understand that Grandma is dating Daddy.
That is tricky, but can't they see the love? Do what feels right.
I'm so happy. I want to request a song that praises the love I have for everyone, especially my new fiance, Mark. And hopefully my daughter can get over herself.
Love is the most important thing in life, so follow your heart. I have just the song for you. And remember, you don't need an excuse. You just need a moment. A lot more requests ahead, so stick around for some more love and joy.
Delilah.
The ingredients for hot cheese snacks are cream cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, chopped green onions, and crackers.
Wow!
I know, super fancy. First, put the cream cheese, shredded cheddar cheese, and chopped green onions in a bowl. Stir until well blended. Then place 1 teaspoon of cheese mixture on top of each cracker. Place cracker on baking sheet. Bake at 350 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes or until thoroughly heated. Perfect timing. While I get the door, watch my friends in these hilarious sketches.
Last year, over the holidays, I strengthened my acting muscle by doing a little mirror exercise with my mother.
And the Regal brand milk. Boiled till it forms a soft ball. Okay. Stir constantly.
When this holiday season came round, I immediately thought, what better way to improve upon my craft as an actor in the theater than to push my limits by doing a little gender-bending activity I'd like to call becoming my father. By following my father around, doing his daily activities, I got in touch with a masculine energy that I'd never known before.
I made the sound effects too. Light sucks in here.
Light sucks in here.
Gotta pull the
Yeah,
arms
I'm
in.
done.
These guys take these
Take
off
off
like
like
they're
they're
infested. You know, they think,
At one point, I decided to push myself as an actor by doing a little exercise with my father that us actors like to call private moment.
Whoa.
What are you
doing?
Come
here.
You're not coming
Come here.
It's my
No private time.
It's my morning
It's
constitutional. It's my only time to
This is my turn to
sit.
Overall, I think this gave me a better understanding of the male psyche.
My name is Miss Carolyn Nicole Meeks, and I'm an acting student and a singer in the Big Apple. And this is my video diary.
Happy New Year's, everyone. Welcome to 2012. I have some really high hopes for this year. Unless the Mayans were correct and we're all going to die, I think that 2012 is going to be a really positive year for me. I've noticed that a lot of my YouTube contemporaries have been making New Year's resolution vlogs. I would like for my boyfriend to propose to me with a princess cut diamond and on a 3D TV. I would like to sample all the specialty drinks on Applebee's menu and be more political. To conform even less and to learn every single Justin Bieber song on my toy piano and play it ironically. And where I think that New Year's resolutions are important, I am an artist and I choose to always think outside the box. So this year I created an ambitious thoughts collage with images of goals that I hold for myself in 2012. I would like to continue maintaining the open-mindedness that people have grown to expect from me. I'm probably one of the least judgmental people you'll ever meet. And I think that this is mostly attributed to the fact that most people are useless buttholes. I would like to learn to ride an elephant through India. I would like to lose some weight in my feet. I would like to see what flip-flops feel like. I would also like to work on my gossiping habit. You know, I would hate to end up like Pam, who is constantly saying rude things about people behind their backs. And with her hips, I don't really understand why she would think that was okay. I would like to remember to buy Q-tips later at the grocery store. I would like to learn how to hold a baby. I would like to write a book for women between the ages of 27 and 28 who are aspiring actresses with maybe a touch of OCD and a codependent relationship with their ex-boyfriend whose parents recently cut them off from their Amex, because I feel like a lot of contemporary authors are really not speaking to that demographic, and I would like to be a beacon of light for those victims. To stay more positive, because I just stinking hate negativity. Working on impressions for my one-woman show. So here's one. Carolyn, stop coming to my work on your lunch breaks to make sure that I am where I say I am. You're an emotional vampire and I have nothing left to give. That was my ex-boyfriend, Rich. I was just improvising that, but that is so something that he would say to me. I would like to stop being passive-aggressive, like a certain someone I know. And above all else, I think it's really important to not be hypocritical.
Top 5 excuses I use when I call out of work at Walmart. Might want to get a Post-it or some toilet paper and write it down. Because they're real good. Like Terminator good. Number 1, diarrhea. No one likes to work with the Hershey squirts, let me tell you that. Just tell me when you went down to Kung Fu Sushi and got a hot dog roll. That'll make you sharp. Bad news bears. Bad news bears. Number 2, I'm taking my lady to Planned Parenthood. You know what that means. You can only use that once every 6 months though. Number 3, Bible meeting. I like to tell them I'm going down to that Church of the Nazarene, Christ's disciples. They got meetings on the hour every hour. Who can fight with Jesus? No one. And if they do, they're terrorists. Goddamn terrorists. Number 4, cut yourself manscaping. I know what you're thinking. This is really personal, but you know, you could tell them I don't know, off the top of my head. You were cutting your pubes to make your Godzilla look bigger. Because, you know, when you do that, it looks bigger. And you nipped yourself in the ball because you were using kitchen scissors. And there was lots of blood. Shit. I actually did that once. Don't use kitchen scissors. They're meant to cut bone. And ball. Number 5. Intervention. I know what you think, that's horrible, but just use someone you don't know very well, like your roommate or your neighbor. No one knows. No one knows. I use my ma, but she's no meth dealer in town, so, I mean, shit, she's been cooking meth since I was like 12. Dumb whore.
Does it hurt?
You done?
Grace, seriously? I'm gonna make sure once more and you guys
Let's see it. There we go.
Grace, do you want breadcrumbs?
How do you feel?
Better now that it's not electrocuting my soul.
It almost looks like I drew on it with pen, but better. Yay!
It gets my seal of approval.
Thank you, Mary Jane. That was certainly succulent. And for that tasty snack, I'm putting down divine. That's 10 plus double word score means 20.
You're welcome, Ritz. Looks like you're winning.
What was that heavenly queso placed upon?
Oh, nothing. Just a little Ritz cracker.
What?
And for that, I'm laying down cannibal. That's 12 plus double letters equals 13 plus triple word score equals 39.